In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a properly set up credit card account, so your charges, payments, and reconciliations stay accurate and easy to manage. First, make sure you're signed into the correct company with permission to manage the chart of accounts. Then, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is your hub for company-level tools and preferences. In the Settings menu, find the Your Company column and select Chart of Accounts. That opens the full list of accounts your books use, things like bank accounts, income, expenses, and liabilities. This is where new accounts get created and organized. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, click the New button. This starts the setup for a new account and tells QuickBooks what kind of activity you're going to track. In the Account Type drop-down, choose Credit Cards. This step is important because account type controls how balances behave and how transactions appear on reports. A credit card is a liability account, so charges increase what you owe and payments reduce it. Picking the correct type ensures your credit card shows up in the right place on your balance sheet and during reconciliation. Now fill in the required fields. For account name, use something clear and consistent. Many businesses include the card provider and the last 4 digits, which makes it easy to select the right account during data entry and month-end closes. If you see a detail type field, choose the option for credit cards to keep reporting clean. You can add a description if it helps your team understand the purpose of this account. If you're starting mid-period and want your QuickBooks balance to match your card statement from day 1, you can enter an opening balance as of the date you begin tracking. Use the ending balance from your latest statement and the statement date. If you plan to bring in historical transactions or connect a bank feed later, it's safer to leave the opening balance at 0 to avoid duplicates. Also, take a moment to confirm you're not creating a duplicate account. Consistency here prevents headaches down the line. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to the Chart of Accounts and see your new credit card listed. From here, you can record charges to this account, apply payments to reduce the balance, and reconcile it against your monthly statement. If you ever need to rename the account or update its description, you can edit it from this list without affecting past transactions. And that's it. Your credit card account is now set up in QuickBooks Online and ready to use. 2.